How's my garden growing? Well, we've had a bit of a cold spell, but those things are still hanging in there. This is that celery plant that I started from the nub of a bunch. It's doing okay. A couple of nights in the low 20s and teens have done some damage here to the outer leaves, but the inner leaves still look nice and green and fresh. Doing alright. Couple onions, doing fine. This is one of my garlic patches. The garlic likes the cold weather, it's happy. Came out this morning and moved the shade cloth off the top of the in-ground cold frame, and you can see right there some yellow. That yellow is tomato flowers. The tomatoes are just being happy down here, living in the hole. Still going to be more than a month before it's warm enough that I can put those out in the ground, but planted in the ground, that is, not just in a hole in the ground. It's getting cloudy and probably going to rain again this afternoon, so I'm covering this back up, tucking in around the edges, keeping the air stable inside, and putting rocks on the edges just to keep it in place. Over here's a few green onions I put in. Here's the other patch of garlic. And over here are some brassicas. It's an assortment of kale and broccoli and kohlrabi. A couple of these got some cold damage the other night when it was down to 18 again, but most of them are looking alright. Have them covered to protect against the extreme cold, but I think after tomorrow night they'll be fine for staying uncovered. Oh, over here, some wild stuff greening up for the season. Over here, coming up, is the chickpeas. They like cold weather too. They're happy with this. Got some turnip seeds planted, just starting to pop up. They don't seem to be minding the really cold temperatures, cold nights. So, there's what's going on in my garden right now. Alright. Till next time, have a beautiful day.